Hi students, and today we are going to discuss another important basic concepts in chemistry, and that is atomic mass. So generally students having a little bit problem to remember atomic mass, and today I am explaining atomic mass 1 to 20 elements. This is one tricky how we learn elements in last class. Same manner I am explaining. So if you know the elements atomic number, then mass number is very easy. And we have to divide the elements into odd number and even number. Odd number and even number. If elements are divided like this, even number and odd number. If even number atomic number is there, you have to use the formula Z into 2. Means atomic number into 2. If odd number, Z is odd number, means atomic number is odd number. Then Z into 2 means atomic number into 2 plus 1. That you have to use. Some exceptions we have. That is hydrogen, beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine, argon. This 5 exception. Why these only exception means when scientists discovered elements based on their properties, some exceptional cases they given according to we are giving the exceptions also. I repeat, even number is there, that is atomic number into 2. Odd number is there, atomic number into 2 plus 1. Exception for hydrogen, beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine, argon. Hydrogen no need exception. Hydrogen atomic number, mass number both same only. Let me try. Here I given elements, their atomic number. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium up to calcium. Atomic number formula I given. What I given? Even number, odd number. So this is exceptional case hydrogen. You take hydrogen atomic number and mass number are same. And helium even number. Even number means what the formula I told? Z into 2. All even number Z into 2. All even number Z into 2. Clear? Z into 2. We have to follow. But this is exception. This is exception. Clear? And here we have Z into 2. And here we have Z into 2. And here we have Z into 2. And this is even number. Z into 2 formula. Z into 2 we have to use. All even numbers formula Z into 2. Atomic number and into 2. And sulfur Z into 2. And I told chlorine and argon exceptional case. And this you have to leave. Calcium Z into 2. Z into 2. This is an exception case. Later we'll discuss. This is also exception. Beryllium, chlorine and argon. These exceptional cases. Let me calculate. Helium, atomic number 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Mass number is 4. Beryllium, exception case. Later we'll discuss. Next, carbon. Z into 2. Z how much? 6. 6 into 2. 12. Next, we have oxygen. 8 into 2. 16. We have neon. 10 into 2. 20. Next we have magnesium. 12 into 2. 24. 24. Next silicon, 14 into 2, 28. Next we have sulfur, 16 into 2, 32. Next we have calcium, 20 into 2, 40. All even number except beryllium and argon we did. Beryllium and argon. Clear? Next, odd number. Lithium, odd number formula, Z into 2 plus 1. Z3, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And we have boron, Z into 2 plus 1. 5 into 2, 10. 10, 1, 11. Clear? Nitrogen exception. Later we'll discuss about nitrogen, and beryllium later we'll discuss. Fluorine, odd number, Z into 2 plus 1. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Next, sodium, Z into 2 plus 1. 11 into 2, 22. 1, 23. Next we have aluminum, Z into 2 plus 1. 13 into 2, 26 plus 1, 27. Phosphorus, Z into 2 plus 1. Z 15 into 2, 30, 31. 31. Chlorine, chlorine also exception, but you can follow the formula. Z into 2 plus 1. Z how much? 17 into 2, 34. 34 into, plus 1, 35. But you have to add 0.5. This is extra you have to add. That's why I told exception case. Argon and potassium, Z into 2 plus 1. So 19 into 2, 38, 1, 39. 39. Now exception case, we have argon. Argon is exceptional. Calcium and argon atomic mass same. Calcium and argon atomic mass same. Now we left two, beryllium, nitrogen. Simple trick is beryllium formula for nitrogen, nitrogen formula for beryllium use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Beryllium is even number. So for this you use odd number formula. Nitrogen is odd number. For this you use even number. Even number. Clear? So this is odd number. You have to use even number formula. Then you are getting 14. Clear? And for beryllium, we have to use, that is even number, that you have to use the formula odd number formula. Reverse. So Z 4 into 2, 8, 1, 9. Clear? So even number is there, Z into 2. Odd number is there, Z into 2 plus 1. For beryllium and nitrogen, you have to use reverse. Means this you have to use odd number formula. Odd number formula. For this you have to use odd number formula. For this you have to use even number formula. Even number formula. Clear? Reverse. For chlorine you have to add 0.5 extra. Formula you can use odd number formula, but 0.5 fraction is there now. That's why 0.5 you have to use to add extra. That is the trick to remember easily without any confusion. So here no need to use any formula. Atomic number, mass number for hydrogen is same. I repeat, even number is there, Z into 2, odd number is there, Z into 2 plus 1, hydrogen exception, hydrogen atomic mass 1, beryllium nitrogen, reverse we have to do. This is even number, odd number formula we have to use. This is odd number, even number formula we have to use. Chlorine 0.5 we have to add. And argon 40. So calcium and argon having same atomic mass. Why means? Because of their chemical arrangement like that. Exception cases. See how much easy to remember. No need to by heart. Even number, odd number formula you can use and go. So 2-3 times you practice, then it is very easy to remember and you can feel very happily. So if you need any other concept like this, please post your comment in comment box. I will make videos. In next video we are making atomic mass for 21 to 30 also. Very tricky and easy method. Here I explained to 20. Now 21 to 30 in next video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Be safe at home.